Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Facebook Messenger. Appearing offline in Messenger is similar across all mobile devices. I'll be demonstrating this process on an iPhone. Open the Messenger app and click on your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. You should see the words Active Status. Tap on that and you'll be taken to the page where you can toggle the Show When You're Active button on or off. If you tap that, then other people won't see when you're active in Messenger on your mobile devices. They will, however, see if you are active while using the Facebook app on your mobile device, so let's turn this setting off in there as well. Open the Facebook app and then tap the menu icon in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Once the page loads, swipe to the bottom of the page and find Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to expand the Settings and Privacy menu. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down this page until you see the text Audience and Visibility. At the bottom of this list is Active Status. Tap on that and then toggle Show When You're Active to the off position, exactly like we did in the Messenger app. Now you will appear as offline while using Facebook and Messenger on your mobile device. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.